welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my living room. I haven't done a video here in so long. Oh my goodness, it feels weird a little bit. Today I have an unboxing video from FabFitFun and I'm very excited about it because I was able to custom pick most of them. A couple of them I told them to surprise me, so I'm excited to see what they are. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, I'm not either. So we are doing this together. My friends actually were the ones who encouraged me to go ahead and partner with FabFitFun to get this subscription box because I had no idea. Well, I did have some idea because I've seen the commercials for it, but you know, I didn't know exactly what it was about. I'm learning as I'm telling you myself. And now I'm excited to open and see what's in here. Okay, so before I go ahead and show you what is in the box, let me tell you a little bit about what FabFitFun is about. FabFitFun is a women's lifestyle subscription box that you can get every season. So it's a seasonal box that you will get 4 times a year. And in the box, you get up to 8 products, full-size products, not just little samples. And they are valued over $200 and you will only pay $49.99 for it. And today, if you get my promo code, you can get $10 off. So make sure to check out the description box. All right, let's see what's in the box. All right, so I just played back that stuff and my hair is all out of place. Ugh, it's okay. All right, let's move on. Okay, so I am afraid to mess up this box. I kind of want to save it to put things in there. So I'm going to be very gentle. How do you open this? Another reason I decided to partner with FabFitFun is because they support female business leaders. So I love that because whoop whoop, I am one. Also, every season they partner with a charity, and this spring they are partnering with Dress for Success, which is a nonprofit organization that is dedicated to providing services, mentorship programs, and a network of support to help women succeed in their personal or professional journeys, however big or small they are. Yes, I think I got it. Okay. Please don't break. Please don't break. Okay. Here we go. I'm excited. Oh, I didn't have to do all that. Ugh. Gina Rodriguez, love her. I'm Rodriguez too. Not related though. Look at that. When one of us succeed, we all succeed. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Okay. Subscription box rookie, but I fixed it. Ta-da! Let's see, what is the first item? Most of the items I did choose. I was able to customize mine, except for a couple that I said to surprise me. And I think this very first one is a surprise. Here is a HelloFresh. They are reading my mind. Yes, I always wanted to try HelloFresh. And I have 9 free meals. Yes! This truly helps, guys. You know, I'm always out doing events, always running around, getting things, and I rarely have time to, you know, keep my family fed. I mean, they're grown, but still. Always wanted to try this. I'm so excited. I wonder how much this altogether will cost. Wow. There you go. Kid you not? 9 meals. I am using this. Ooh, what is this? Wonder Beauty. This is a lengthening mascara, which I'm needing. I was already in the market for one. Okay. This is a mascara. Okay. It looks like it is a mascara. Wow. This is so nobody will use your mascara. It looks just like a little like lotion. You see that? Oh my god, you can see nothing here. It's so bright. It looks like a little lotion, but it is mascara. Ooh, I'm excited to use it. Let me try it. I already have mascara on. I like that it's very thin. Can you see that? Nice. Now I don't have to buy one. I already have one. Oh, let me turn up this light. All right, let's see what's next. This is Tarte C, and it is a drink of H2O hydrating boost. Yes, which I need. My skin is dry. I have oily skin. Well, I guess I have combination now. But it's just so dry. I think the creams that I'm using for my acne is drying my skin. So this is gonna come handy. Drink of H2O hydrating boost. Yes. Let's see. Ooh, and it smells delicious. Let me show it to you. Let me see if you can see that. I'm just gonna be playing with this light all day. There it is. This is gonna feel good on my skin. I almost feel like a beauty guru. Not. DIY for life. Okay. I love the way it smells. Kid you not. And this is a great way to, you know, try new things, you know, because sometimes I stick to what I know. This is great for me. Oh. Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. It's a lip and cheek balm. Lip and cheek. Well, I have lipstick on, so I'll try it on my cheeks. Let's see. Cute. Oh, it smells good. You know, it smells, you know what I always look out for when I buy my products or shampoos or anything. I just like for it not to smell so like loud, because I feel that it has less chemicals and stuff like that. And this is very like, you know, it's not loud. Okay, let's see. Can I do it here? Would it give me a little shine? Is that what it is? Because shine is in. I'm already shiny though. Shiny and dry. Don't look too close, guys. I'm breaking out. I'm a teen again. No? Yeah? I like it. I like the way it feels. I think I'm gonna like this. This is gonna be in my purse. I can tell. I love the way it smells. All right, so far, so good. Let's see what's next. Wait, I gotta show you. Let me see. No more crusty lips. This is Jabonera by Jabonera Marinella. It is a body oil. It is rosewood and linseed cubeva with mangongo and pomegranate oil. Wow, that is a mouthful. I'm the kind of girl that keeps a little bit of lotion in my purse, a little bit of lotion in my car, because I can get ashy because I forget to put lotion on. So if I spray it, even better. Yes. Oh wait. Got it on the couch. I thought it was gonna spritz, but it's just like this. Okay, still good. But you know what? I like the idea of a spritz, you know? Like that. You can and then just rub really quickly. I would like that. I need to. Somebody needs to come up with that. Let's see. Oh, it smells delicious. I'm loving the earthy smells. I'm loving that. You know, nothing too loud, Nothing too overwhelming that makes me feel that they put a lot of chemicals in it. I hate that. I really do. This smells familiar. I don't know what it is, but I love it. And I'm in need of it today. I do. I am in need. Yes. This is amazing. It really is. Love it too. Fierce Flicks. This is by Ciarte, London. I hope I'm saying it right. Perfect for winged liner. I suck at wing eyeliner. I really do. It takes me about 20 minutes per eye. No, I'm exaggerating. About 10 minutes per eye. Oh, yes. This totally gonna help me because it's kind of like an eyeliner and the liquid at the same time. Look at that line. Perfect. Oh. I was gonna say they knew exactly what I wanted, but I picked what I wanted. So I picked everything that I could use for sure. Look at that. I'm so excited. And I'm like, it's that time of the month where I need to buy things because I'm running out of everything. I'm literally running out of everything. Yes, this is gonna save me so much time, guys. That's why I don't wear as much makeup anymore unless I'm on camera because it's just a lot of work. Okay. All right, so now here is this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, and it's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It's a lotion relaxante. Oh, that's French. Never mind. I don't know French. It is a 24-hour skin solution, and you use it nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. So it supports skin and sleep. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Who comes up with this stuff? Right? There it is. It's just too much light for the camera, but I need the light for my face. But that's okay. All right. This is what it looks like. Good for skin, good for sleep. So you can feel like a baby the next day. I'm excited to use this. I'm excited for everything. All right, so here is this Revive Light Therapy. It's a wrinkle treatment. I don't have wrinkles yet, but I can see where I'm starting to get little lines, a little bit. I mean, I think everybody has those, but I don't have deep lines yet. Ooh, it's battery operated. Nice. It uses NASA-based technology to safely and effectively repair damaged skin. I do have damaged skin. I have sunspots. The light tackles fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, skin dullness, and uneven skin tone. Perfect for me. I am going to be using this tonight. Seriously, this is exactly what I need. Prevent the wrinkles, make my skin even. I have uneven skin tone. Let's see. Okay, I didn't put this on right. That's because I don't read instructions. I never read instructions. My husband, he loves to read instructions. Me, I like to figure it out. Some people will call it the hard way. O el perezoso trabaja doble, which means lazy people work twice as hard. See how I had to do it twice when I could have just read it right there. It says right there how to put it on. I get on my own nerves. All right. Here we go. I got it to work. Oh, there it is. So I can just put it on that spot right there. Oh, and then I got a couple, because I'm a picker. I pick on my face, so I leave marks, so this is definitely gonna help me. And then I'll just do it all over my face so I won't get wrinkles. So I'm excited to tell you how this is going to help me out later on in another video. So yeah, excited about this. Cool. Oh, let me show it to you. There it is. Revive Light Therapy. All right, back with the light, because oh my god, look at my bags. See that spot right there? That's gonna help me right there. Lighting. There we go. Isn't light wonderful? And last but not least, here is Gravity. This is a weighted sleep mask. Okay, it has weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. 1 pound over my eyes. Made with premium fleece, adjustable Velcro strap, and deep touch pressure stimulation. I just move around too much, so this will probably work for like 5 minutes before I go to sleep, because then I'm like tossing and turning. I don't want to put makeup on it. Oh, I can see how this can feel good. My eyebrows still on? Still on. Okay. Interesting. A lot of self-care things and beauty things. I love it. Here's how it looks like. My camera is really sucking today, guys. Sorry about that. Or I suck. I just haven't done videos like this in a while, so I'm kind of lost my touch for that. There you go. Cool. I love everything I have. I really, really do think that I'm going to be using all of it. All of it. Let me go back, okay? I'm going to start with how I'm going to be feeding my family 9 meals. Yes, HelloFresh mascara that looks like it's going to be fabulous, which I was in the market for. I also got this Tarte C Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost, which everyone needs. Also got the body lotion that smells like heaven. I love it. This is going to be in my purse. And this is, oh yes, the wing eyeliner that is going to save me so much time. Also got the lip balm that you can use for your cheek as well. The Rainbow Cheek and Lip Balm. Yes, going to be in my purse. The Deep Sleep Body Cocoon that I'm going to be using once I get out the shower at night, so I can like sleep like a baby. But before I do that, before I sleep, I will work on my spots and my wrinkles, and then I will place my mask and wake up a whole different woman. And in case you were wondering, FabFitFun does ship to Canada and the UK as well, and there are some membership benefits like flash sales up to 70% off in FabFitFun TV. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I know it's not a DIY video, but I truly enjoy making these videos because not only did I get fabulous products from FabFitFun, but I get to spend time with you and just show you who I am and just have fun with you because I love you and I miss you. So make sure to continue to follow me on my social media pages, Instagram and Facebook, or wherever you want to follow me. And of course here. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. All right, guys, I love you. Oh, and make sure to check out the description box for the promo code so you can get this box even cheaper. Come on, you'll love it. All right, guys, until next time, bye. Mwah.